Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your data with HubSpot detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to your dashboard where you can see various options available. Locate and click on the settings gear icon in the top right corner. In the left sidebar, find the account settings section. Select users and teams to manage user access. Add new users if necessary, ensuring each person has the appropriate permissions. Review user roles to ensure sensitive data is only accessible by authorized personnel. Next, go to the Security section within Settings. Enable two-factor authentication for an added layer of security. Make sure all users are required to set up two-factor authentication. Now, move to the Data Management section found in the Settings. Select Data Privacy to review your compliance settings. Familiarize yourself with GDPR and CCPA settings if applicable to your business. Implement cookie tracking and data collection policies as required. Review and update your data retention policy to minimize risk. Next, go to the Marketing section in the navigation menu. Under Email, ensure that you are compliant with email marketing regulations. For the best data management, leverage HubSpot's integration capabilities. Connect HubSpot with other tools you use to streamline data flow. Utilize HubSpot's reporting tools to monitor data access and usage. Regularly review your data by generating reports for insights. Finally, educate your team on data protection best practices. Schedule periodic training sessions to keep everyone up to date. Always stay informed about new features and data protection regulations in HubSpot. With these steps, you can effectively protect your data while using HubSpot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.